Well, hello, y'all. I hope everybody's doing good today. It's me again, Margaret. Y'all are stuck with me again, but it's all right. It's okay, right? I need to get me a little stir stick out. I did forget that. I think I might have got everything else, though, hopefully. We'll see. Y'all, I went ahead and worked on some of these. The links are in the description, but if for some reason you don't see them and you need me to send them to you, just let me know. My name is Jenny. I am on my own Facebook page called Just Jenny. Sorry, I got distracted. I'm trying to make sure I'm live. But again, my name is Jenny. I'm Debbie's daughter. I have my own Facebook page. If you don't follow me already, come check me out. And it does look like I'm live, so that's good. I'm going to try to see some of the comments. Y'all be sure and let me know when you hop on. I'll try to go back and look at comments later as well. And like I said, I already started working on these because there are 4 of them, and y'all are probably better at making like tassels than I am. I need to practice, guys. But these are so fun, and they would make such super cute gifts and stuff. Okay, so I am doing our wood cutouts. We have bookmarks, and they come in a set of 4, and the transfer that I'm going to be working on. And like I said, I've already worked on this, so it's dirty, forgive me, but it's called I'm Booked. And like I said, I don't have a word, but the links are in the description. So I went ahead and I did the snowman. And y'all be sure and paint the back. I just, for the sake of time, didn't. And I did like a tassel because I used some of the, what's my favorite? The shimmer nominee for the snowflakes on the snowman. Isn't that so cute? But play around with these tassels. I'm going to when I get home. I just used some red and gold ribbon that we had. Then one of them is, it says, I'm booked. And I'm not going to be able to see all the comments because the phones are facing away. Hey, Stacy, how are you? I hope you're doing good. But this is the one, it says, I'm booked. And I just did some gold tassel on it because I used the shimmer nominee. And then I went ahead and did the Christmas tree. Fa la 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 la. And for the smaller areas, I did use a little paintbrush to dab on the chalk paste on these. But I used shimmer crimson was the red. And then for this one, I just picked some red, green, gold ribbon. Y'all, I love these. And then, so for y'all, while y'all are with me, I'm going to, there's some hot glue string bothering me. But I'm going to go ahead and paint the background white. And like I said, for these bookmarks, go ahead and do the back side too. But wouldn't these make cute little gifts? They'd also kind of look cute hanging on your Christmas tree, I think. Look, I'm trying to stick everything on my tree. Do y'all do that? I'm like, what else can I put on my tree? They are bookmarks, Stacy. Yes. So, anyhow, I cut these to go along with the transfer called I'm Booked. Y'all, it has been raining here, and we desperately have needed the rain. So, rain, hey, keep on coming. But I have been rained on multiple times today. I've been to the gym, so I've been sweating. I don't even know what I look like, but that's fine. Hopefully I'm not too close up on any of these phones. I want to say Mom's phone shows like a more close up. My phone, I don't know why, and I don't know how to fix it, but my phone is further away, so I try to put my phone down lower and closer to the project. But I'm just going to paint the background, and y'all, you can do as much detail on these as you want to. But I need to get home and start cutting some cutouts. So for this, I'm not going to get super detailed. All right, I've got a nice enough coat of white on there. You know, it could use just a hair more. I see some streaked areas that I kind of missed. I don't even know if I had paste on there. And y'all, use, for the transfers, use the paste or the ink. But for just these wood cutouts, you can use whatever kind of paints, acrylic paints you have laying around, chalk paint. I just have been using the chalk paste because it's out on display and all the colors and I can see them. I don't have to dig for anything. So mostly just because I don't want to look for anything else. But I'm just going to dry this. And like I said, be sure and paint the back of your bookmarks. I'll get this out of the way. I just want to make sure this is nice and dry because I am going to wax it before I put the transfer on. And typically I would fuzz the transfer, but I've already fuzzed it because I was already working on these little cuties. I don't know if y'all can see those. In just a second I'll be able to see. It's kind of delayed where I'm watching. Yeah, I think you can see those. Okay. Also, I need to let this cool off. I stopped. Yes, I love the shirt too. And y'all, I forgot mine. So I did change out of my wet t-shirt before I came on. And I was like, I got a shirt over here. Of course, I will just dig through Mom's closet too. I did stop and get me a cup of coffee. Hi, Karen. I'm good. I hope y'all are too. Y'all let me know. And now I'm just adding some of the surface wax. It just keeps the transfers from, because they are sticky and reusable, it just keeps them from sticking too well and pulling up the layer of paint you've got down. But you just rub it on, buff it off. It doesn't change the color. It adds just a slight bit of sheen to it, but not much. Is your mom? My mom and dad are visiting Bear. I say Bear. They're visiting my brother and sister-in-law too. But probably mostly Bear. But there's really not, I mean, there's just a slight sheen to it now. But you just put that paste on. And my transfer fell. I hope it didn't get too yucky. We're just going to see. Hopefully, it fell on the floor, so I'm sure it got glitter and stuff on it. But I'm going to be doing the Santas. It comes with 4, so you get to have fun with these. But, y'all, I would love to have one of these for a little gift. And you know what? You could even incorporate it onto your packaging, your bow. So just tie it into your bow that you're gifting. Just make sure he's pressed down. And then, like I said, I'm using some, I think I said I'm using Shimmer Crimson. Maybe I didn't. But I'm going to stir it up, y'all. I love this shimmer paste. I just love glitter and anything that sparkles. But this is gorgeous. I don't know if y'all can see the sparkle through the screen, but it is so pretty. And I just spit everywhere. But I'm just going to do solid. You can get as detailed as you want with this. And you don't have to press down hard. But I'm just going to do the solid Shimmer Crimson over the white. And then slowly pick it up, because if for some reason you miss some spots, you can just lay it right back down and go, oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh, Let me scrape off. Look, I'm all about reusing stuff. I scraped off my excess paste back in there. Then I'm going to stick this right here so I can go clean it. Oh my gosh, y'all, the Santas are adorable. And yes, Mom did make these shirts. They're heat transfers. I don't know what the Chalk Couture name for them is, but they're so neat. They look really dull when you get them, and then once you heat them, once you do the heat transfer, the colors get so vibrant. So vibrant. I hope y'all are doing good today. Thank you so much for choosing to spend some time with me. Stella's doing good. She's back in school. She went back yesterday. She's still got a cough and runny nose, but she hasn't ran fever. Since actually Saturday morning, she hasn't had fever. This weekend was tough. She was really grouchy. And I'm sure it's because she didn't feel the best. They are bookmarks. Look how cute they are. So I just did some cutouts to go along with the transfer. It's called I'm Booked. And this is the Santa that I just finished. And y'all, you can do as much detail on these as you want, or if you just want to do like black and white, or like I did on I'm Booked, just a solid color with the nominee. I got a little wild here. I used the nominee, I don't know what the green was called, but then the shimmer crimson for the bow and stuff. And then for my snowman, for the snowflakes, I did the nominee and the shimmer crimson for his hat and scarf, and then just black for the outline of the snowman. But you can get just as wild as you want to with these. Look, I was trying to find some cute red, because we just get like, I don't know, they're like scraps of pieces of ribbon. I don't really know how long I need that. That's probably good. But we just get like these long scraps of ribbon. They're all packed up together, like at Walmart or Hobby Lobby. So you just get, you know, a pack, and they've got like really neutrals, and then they've got like some more festive colors and, you know, more muted colors. Pretty neat stuff. And look, I'm probably trying to stuff too much through here. But these, I'm just loving them. Let's see here. Let me cut this off. And I got me a lighter back here to burn edges, because I know they'll fray. I'm just going to try not to get too wild with them. Oh, hey Judy. It's storming Missouri. Yeah, it's been storming off and on here. It like just quit raining when we got to school with Locke, and then when we were driving to Stella's school, it was pouring, and I was like, oh goodness, oh please let it stop raining before we get there. And praise the Lord, it did. But then it stormed on me all the way to town. It's been wild, but we have definitely needed this rain. So, you know, hopefully the ground will get some moisture in it for all the farmers that are planting wheat. Hopefully they got all their beans and corn out before it started raining. Hopefully. But there you go. There's my little Santa bookmark. And like I said, paint the back of these, and you know what, you could even do a different design on the backs of them, or not do a design at all, just have a solid color, whatever you want to. Or if you have beautiful handwriting, maybe you've made this for a friend, you could do their name on the back. I don't, I'm hit or miss with my handwriting. And it seems the harder I try to do very neat handwriting, the more sloppy it is. So I just kind of let it roll. Well, I was trying to stack these up so that y'all could kind of see all of them together, because you do get 4 different designs on the transfer. There we go. And you can have fun with your ribbon tassels. It would even be cute to make those cute tassels and tie those on there as well. But these would make great gifts. And what I have in mind is using this as a part of my bow on gifts for like a little extra gifty for the receiver. Oh, me. Oh, somebody said, oh, Patty, I hope you have a good appointment. Y'all, I'm actually done, like I said, because I did the 3 of them before I came on so that I could show y'all. And then the little Santa one went really fast. But I hope y'all enjoyed these. I think they're fun. I enjoy reading when I can. I've got several books started. And also, it will be great in your Bible, too. I have lots of pages marked in my Bible. And you know the ribbons that come attached to them? I'm running out of ribbons. There's no keyword, Stacy. The links are in the description. If you need them sent to you, I can send them. Just let me know. Happy to do that. But I'm going to get off here, guys, and go start cutting out in the shed. Hopefully the storms are through. Maybe just rain for the rest of the day. I don't really know. Hey, Anita. It is Taco Tuesday. I hope y'all have a great rest of the day. Thanks so much for joining me, guys.